Hello there, and welcome to the Bedtime Lab, a cozy corner in the universe where we gather to drift gently into the realm of knowledge and wonder. Tonight, we embark on a serene journey through the cosmos with a collection of 100 sleepy facts about the universe. Settle in with your favorite blanket or pillow and allow your mind to wander among the stars. While you get comfortable, I'd love to know, where are you listening from this evening? Drop a comment and let us know. It's truly heartwarming to see people from all corners of the world coming together here, creating a global constellation of listeners ready to unwind and gently drift off into dreamland. As we venture into the vastness of space tonight, let's begin with a comforting thought. Did you know that you are made of stardust? It's quite remarkable to think that the very atoms in your body were forged in the heart of stars that lived and died billions of years ago. This cosmic recycling reminds us that we are deeply connected to the universe, a thought both humbling and awe-inspiring. Picture this. Every element heavier than helium in the universe was created in the nuclear furnaces of stars. When these stars reached the end of their life cycles, they exploded in spectacular supernovae, scattering these elements across the cosmos. Over time, gravity gathered these particles together, forming new stars, planets, and eventually, you and me. Can you imagine the journey your atoms have been on? Speaking of stars, let me share something interesting. There are estimated to be between 100 billion and 400 billion stars just in our Milky Way galaxy. This connects to something else fascinating. The number of galaxies in the observable universe is in the trillions. When you think about it, each of those galaxies is a swirling sea of stars, potentially with planets orbiting them, waiting to be explored. Now, let's consider our own solar neighborhood. Did you know that the Sun accounts for 90% mass of our solar system? It's a colossal ball of hydrogen and helium, a fusion reactor that has been burning for about 4.5 billion years and will continue for another 5 billion years. The energy produced is what makes life possible on Earth, a beautiful example of the interconnectedness of all things. This reminds me of something else. The light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us here on Earth. Imagine the journey those photons take, traveling across 93 million miles through the cold expanse of space to warm our planet. It's a small detail with a vast impact on our daily lives. Here's a fascinating fact about our solar system's architecture. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocky remnants from the early solar system. It contains millions of asteroids, ranging from tiny pebbles to the dwarf planet Ceres, which is almost 600 miles across. These celestial bodies offer clues to the formation of our solar system, a snapshot of a time long before Earth took shape. The more you learn about the universe, the more amazing it becomes. Did you know that Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a magnetic field that is 14 times stronger than Earth's? This immense magnetic field traps radiation and creates a spectacular aurora at its poles, a cosmic light show similar to our northern and southern lights. And speaking of cosmic wonders, let's not forget Saturn, with its stunning rings composed mostly of ice particles, along with smaller amounts of rocky debris and dust. These rings are not solid, but consist of countless small particles, each following its own orbit around the planet, creating an ever-changing and breathtakingly beautiful structure. Our journey through the universe tonight is only just beginning, and I hope you feel as intrigued as I do. As we gently float through this vast cosmic ocean, consider how small yet significant our place is within it. The universe is a grand tapestry, each thread interwoven with another, forming a picture so vast and intricate it defies comprehension. With each fact we uncover, we peel back another layer of this cosmic mystery. It's like reaching into a vast starry night and pulling out threads of light, each one connecting us to the infinite expanse beyond. The universe, in all its majesty and mystery, offers endless paths to explore and marvel at. As we prepare to venture even further, remember that every star, planet, and galaxy has its story to tell, waiting for curious minds to listen. So let us continue our journey with open hearts and minds, ready to uncover the wonders that lie just beyond our reach. Our next stop will take us deeper into our solar system and beyond, unveiling secrets that have captivated humanity for centuries. Thank you for joining us in the Bedtime Lab this evening. May this journey through the universe fill your dreams with stars, leaving you with a sense of peace and connectedness to all that is. Until we meet again, sweet dreams, and may the universe cradle you gently tonight. Welcome back to our gentle exploration of the universe. Imagine we're on a cozy journey through space, surrounded by the comforting glow of distant stars and planets. Tonight, as we find ourselves nestled in the vastness of our solar neighborhood, let me share some captivating tales that have unfolded right in our cosmic backyard. Did you know that the Sun, the heart of our solar system, is so enormous that it contains 90% of the total mass of the entire system? It's quite remarkable because, despite this, it is only considered an average-sized star in the grand theater of the cosmos. The energy it releases is astounding. Every second, the Sun converts 4 million tons of its mass into energy. This beautiful fusion process is what keeps it shining and life on Earth thriving. Now, picture this. Earth is not the only planet with a magnetic field. Jupiter, the giant gas planet, has a magnetic field so powerful that it stretches beyond the orbits of its moons. This magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's, creating a vast protective bubble known as the magnetosphere. You might find this interesting. Jupiter's magnetosphere is so large that it could contain all the planets in our solar system twice over. And speaking of Jupiter, it's home to the solar system's largest moon, Ganymede. Let me tell you something truly remarkable about Ganymede. It is even larger than Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. This celestial body, with its icy surface and potential subsurface ocean, has scientists excited about the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Can you imagine the mysteries hidden beneath its frozen crust? This reminds me of another fascinating moon in our solar system, Io, also orbiting Jupiter. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Its surface is dotted with hundreds of volcanoes, including many that are still erupting. These eruptions are so powerful that they can be observed from telescopes on Earth. When you think about it, Io's fiery landscape is a stark contrast to the often icy surfaces of its neighboring moons. And here's something fascinating. Our moon, Luna, doesn't have a hot molten core like Earth. Instead, it's thought to be mostly solid. But did you know that Luna is slowly moving away from Earth? Every year, it drifts about 3.8 centimeters farther from us. Although this might seem insignificant at first glance, over billions of years, this gradual shift has significant implications for things like tides. Speaking of which, our understanding of distant celestial bodies is often limited by our perspective from Earth. But Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and proximity, challenges this notion. It rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system. Here's a fascinating thought. A day on Venus, which is the time it takes to complete one rotation on its axis, is longer than a year on Venus, the time it takes to orbit the Sun. This retrograde rotation creates an intriguing dance of day and night on its surface. Moving from Venus to another captivating planet, let me share with you the mystery of Mars. Mars, known as the Red Planet, has not only captivated our imagination, but has also been a major focus of exploration. Did you know that it once had liquid water flowing across its surface? Scientists have found evidence of dried riverbeds and minerals that form in water, suggesting that Mars may have had conditions suitable for life. Isn't it fascinating to consider what secrets the Martian surface still holds? This connects to something else fascinating: the asteroid belt, a region of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter. The belt contains millions of small bodies, and occasionally one of these asteroids crosses paths with Earth, creating meteor showers. Can you imagine witnessing a meteor shower and realizing that these tiny streaks of light are remnants from the birth of our solar system billions of years ago? And speaking of ancient cosmic bodies, let's not forget about comets, the icy wanderers of the solar system. When comets approach the Sun, their icy cores heat up, releasing gases and dust that form long glowing tails. Here's something truly captivating. The tails of comets always point away from the Sun due to the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emitted by the Sun. This cosmic breeze gently shapes the journey of these ancient travelers. The beauty of these celestial bodies doesn't end here. Consider the dwarf planet Pluto, which once held the title of the 9th planet in our solar system. Did you know that Pluto's orbit is so elliptical that at times it is closer to the Sun than Neptune? This peculiar orbit is a reminder of the dynamic and intricate dance of planets and celestial bodies around the Sun. Now, let's draw our gaze outward to the edges of our solar system, where the Voyager spacecrafts are journeying into the interstellar medium. Launched in the late 1970s, these spacecrafts have traveled farther than any human-made object in history. They carry golden records, messages from Earth for any potential extraterrestrial life. The Voyager missions remind us of humanity's curiosity and desire to explore beyond our known world. As we gently float through this vast cosmic ocean, consider how small yet significant our place is within it. The universe is a grand tapestry, each thread interwoven with another, forming a picture so vast and intricate it defies comprehension. With each fact we uncover, we peel back another layer of this cosmic mystery. It's like reaching into a vast starry night and pulling out threads of light, each one connecting us to the infinite expanse beyond. The universe, in all its majesty and mystery, offers endless paths to explore and marvel at. As we prepare to venture even further, remember that every star, planet, and galaxy has its story to tell, waiting for curious minds to listen. Our journey through the universe tonight is only just beginning, and I hope you feel as intrigued as I do. As we gently float through this vast cosmic ocean, consider how small yet significant our place is within it. Until next time, sweet dreams, and may the universe cradle you gently tonight. Welcome back, my curious friend, to our soothing journey through the universe. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, let's take a gentle stroll through some everyday wonders that reveal just how extraordinary our universe truly is. Did you know that our Milky Way galaxy contains between 100 and 200 billion stars? It's astonishing to think that each one of those stars could potentially have planets orbiting around it, much like our own solar system. This vast collection of stars forms a beautiful spiral, a cosmic pinwheel of sorts, that slowly rotates as though it's waltzing through the universe. Picture this. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 100,000 years to cross from one side of our galaxy to the other. The enormity of it is as humbling as it is awe-inspiring. Let's delve a little more into the heart of the Milky Way. At its center lies a supermassive black hole, known as Sagittarius A star. This behemoth has a mass equivalent to about 4 million suns. It's a gravitational anchor for our galaxy, holding it together with its immense pull. The existence of such a colossal entity at the center of our galaxy is a reminder of the powerful forces at work in the cosmos. Black holes themselves are regions where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape them. What's even more fascinating is that while they consume everything that comes too close, they also fuel some of the most energetic phenomena in the universe, such as quasars, which are incredibly bright and distant objects powered by black holes devouring surrounding material. Speaking of quasars, did you know that they are some of the oldest and most distant objects we can observe? They serve as time machines, providing us glimpses into the early universe. The light we see from them has traveled billions of years to reach us. In fact, when you look at a quasar through a telescope, you are essentially peering back in time to see what the universe looked like when it was just a fraction of its current age. It's like capturing a snapshot from the cosmic photo album of our universe's youth. And this reminds me, the light from our sun, which gives life to our planet, is also a traveler of time. It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to journey from the sun to Earth. So, when you bask in the warmth of the sun, you are experiencing energy that began its journey a few minutes in the past. In a way, the sunlight we enjoy every day is a gentle reminder of the time it takes for light to traverse space, even from a relatively close neighbor like the sun. Now, let's consider something closer to home, yet still part of this magnificent cosmic ballet. Did you know that our Earth is constantly moving through space at an incredible speed? Our planet travels around the sun at about 107,000 kilometers per hour, and as the Earth orbits the sun, the entire solar system is also moving through the Milky Way at an even more astounding speed of over 800,000 kilometers per hour. It's a dizzying thought to realize we are perpetually in motion, and yet everything feels so stable and constant in our everyday lives. But let's not rush past the significance of these movements. The Earth's rotation on its axis, which causes day and night, is another wondrous aspect of our cosmic home. The gentle spinning of our planet takes about 24 hours to complete a full rotation. This rotation, combined with the tilt of the Earth's axis, also gives us the changing seasons. It's a beautiful dance that brings variation and rhythm to the natural world, influencing everything from weather patterns to the cycles of life. As we think about the rhythm of seasons, it's fascinating to note that the moon plays a significant role in our Earth's tides. The gravitational pull of the moon, and to a lesser extent the sun, causes the oceans to bulge outwards, leading to the rising and falling of the tides. These tidal forces are not only crucial for the ecosystems that thrive in tidal areas, but also serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of celestial bodies. The moon, constantly orbiting Earth, influences life in subtle yet profound ways. Speaking of the moon, did you know that it is slowly drifting away from us? Each year the moon moves about 3.5 centimeters further from Earth. This gradual separation affects the length of our days, making them imperceptibly longer over millennia. It's a slow cosmic dance that has been taking place for billions of years, and it's astonishing to think of the moon's influence on our planet's history and future. Let me share something truly remarkable about the night sky. The stars we see twinkling above us are not only beautiful, but also inspirational in how they connect us with the universe. Each star is like a distant sun, potentially surrounded by worlds waiting to be discovered. For centuries, stars have guided explorers across oceans and inspired countless myths and stories. The constellations, with their familiar shapes, are like ancestral maps in the sky, linking us to those who gazed up long before us. This celestial connection is beautifully mirrored in the phenomenon of meteor showers. These cosmic light shows occur when Earth passes through the debris left behind by comets. As the particles enter our atmosphere, they burn up, creating streaks of light across the sky. Each meteor shower is like a cosmic reminder of the journey our planet takes through space, intersecting paths with remnants of ancient celestial travelers. As we come to the close of this chapter on everyday wonders, let us reflect on the beauty and complexity of the universe, from the majestic spiral of the Milky Way to the gentle drift of the moon. Each fact we uncover adds another thread to the tapestry of our understanding. The universe is full of stories waiting to be told, each one revealing a piece of the cosmic puzzle. So as you drift off to sleep tonight, may these tales of the universe fill your dreams with wonder and curiosity. Until we explore again, rest easy and let the universe cradle you gently. Welcome back, dear listener. Tonight we continue our gentle journey through the universe, unraveling the hidden connections that bind the cosmos in a web of wonder. Did you know that light from the stars takes years to reach us? In fact, when you gaze upon the night sky, you are seeing the universe as it was, not as it is. This simple fact connects us to the distant past, each star a time capsule revealing a story from millions or even billions of years ago. It's truly incredible to imagine that the starlight touching your eyes tonight has traveled across the vast expanse of space just to reach you. Speaking of the travels of light, let me share something fascinating about galaxies. The universe is filled with over 2 trillion galaxies, each one a unique collection of stars, planets, and cosmic dust. Some galaxies move towards us, while others drift away, carried by the expansion of the universe. This expansion is like a cosmic breath, a gentle stretching of the fabric of space itself. The discovery that the universe is expanding was made less than a century ago, yet it fundamentally changed our understanding of the cosmos. This reminds us of the ever-evolving nature of scientific discovery, always revealing new layers of complexity. Here's something remarkable about these galaxies. Many of them are on a collision course. When galaxies collide, it might sound catastrophic, but in reality, it's a slow dance lasting millions of years. As they merge, their stars weave together, forming new patterns and sometimes birthing new stars in the process. Imagine the beauty of these cosmic dances, where the gravitational forces create new stellar structures in a grand display of celestial choreography. Now, you might find this interesting. Within our very own Milky Way galaxy, there are stars that defy the typical stellar life cycle. Known as blue stragglers, these stars are older stars that appear younger and hotter than they should be. How do they achieve this youthful glow? Scientists believe blue stragglers might result from stars merging or drawing mass from a nearby companion star. This unexpected discovery challenges our assumptions about the longevity of stars and reminds us that the universe often holds surprises. And speaking of surprises, let's consider the concept of black holes. Did you know black holes are not empty voids, but regions where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape? The idea of an invisible force with such power is both intriguing and mysterious. Our own galaxy hosts a supermassive black hole at its center, a cosmic giant known as Sagittarius A star. Despite its immense mass, this black hole silently governs the motion of stars in the Milky Way, an unseen conductor of the galaxy's symphony. This brings us to another fascinating connection: gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time are created by some of the universe's most violent events, like the collision of black holes or neutron stars. When these massive objects collide, they send waves across the universe, stretching and squeezing everything in their path. Although these waves are incredibly faint by the time they reach Earth, the fact that we can detect them at all is a testament to human ingenuity and the profound interconnectedness of the cosmos. Picture this: a binary star system where two stars orbit each other so closely that they exchange material. These stellar pairs can lead to phenomena like novae or even supernovae, dramatic explosions that outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment. Novae occur when one star siphons material from its companion, igniting a burst of light that can be seen across the universe. It's a beautiful example of how stars, even in their twilight years, continue to interact in surprising ways. This reminds me of another cosmic marvel: pulsars. Pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. These stellar corpses emit beams of radiation from their magnetic poles, and as they spin, these beams sweep across space like a lighthouse beacon. The precision of their pulses is so reliable that pulsars are used as cosmic timekeepers, ticking away the moments of the universe with remarkable accuracy. Did you know that the elements that make up everything around us, including you and me, were forged in the hearts of stars? This stellar alchemy occurs during a star's life and in its explosive death. The heavier elements are spread across the universe when stars die, enriching the interstellar medium and paving the way for new stars and planets. It's humbling to realize that every atom in your body was once part of a star. The universe is in you, and you are in the universe, a profound connection that transcends time and space. Imagine, if you will, the vast cosmic web. This structure of the universe is composed of filaments of dark matter and gas that stretch across immense distances, connecting galaxies like beads on a string. The cosmic web is the backbone of the universe, guiding the formation and growth of galaxies while shaping the large-scale structure of the cosmos. This unseen architecture illustrates the incredible complexity and beauty of the universe's design. Interwoven with this cosmic tapestry is the enigma of dark matter and dark energy. While dark matter acts like an invisible hand holding galaxies together, dark energy is the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion. Combined, these unseen forces comprise most of the universe's mass energy content, yet we know so little about them. It's a reminder of how much there is yet to discover, keeping the wonder alive as we strive to understand the universe's deepest mysteries. As we drift through these tales of cosmic connections, let us pause and appreciate the harmonious balance that exists in the universe. From the dance of galaxies to the life cycle of stars, every cosmic event is part of a larger story. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how interconnected everything is, from the tiniest particles to the grandest galaxies. So, as you close your eyes tonight, let these stories of the universe lull you into a restful slumber. May you dream of the stars and the hidden connections that bind us all together. Until we meet again on this cosmic journey, let the universe's gentle wonders surround you with peace. Welcome back, dear cosmic traveler. Let us continue our gentle journey through the universe's mysteries, where every fact is a thread woven into the grand tapestry of existence. Did you know that the universe began with a singular, extraordinary event known as the Big Bang? This monumental explosion occurred about 13.8 billion years ago, marking the birth of time and space as we know it. Imagine that moment, when everything that would ever exist was compressed into a space smaller than an atom. It's both awe-inspiring and humbling to think that the universe, in all its vastness and complexity, began from something so incredibly tiny. Here's something fascinating to contemplate. The evidence supporting the Big Bang theory is right above us in the night sky. Cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow left over from that explosive birth, permeates the universe, providing a snapshot of the universe's infancy. It's as if the universe itself carries a memory of its earliest moments. This radiation is one of the strongest pieces of evidence for the Big Bang, painting a picture of a universe once filled with blinding light, now stretched and cooled over billions of years into a gentle whisper of its fiery origins. And speaking of the universe's early days, did you know that the first atoms formed only a few 100,000 years after the Big Bang? These were primarily hydrogen and helium, the building blocks for everything we see today. These simple elements eventually came together to form the first stars, lighting the universe for the first time. Imagine those first stars shining upon a universe that was once dark, illuminating the path for galaxies and all the wonders that would follow. You might find this interesting. The universe is still expanding today, a discovery made in the 20th century that reshaped our understanding of cosmos. This expansion is like a cosmic ballet, with galaxies gracefully receding from one another, driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. It's as if the universe is a grand stage, ever enlarging, where galaxies perform an intricate dance of cosmic proportions. This expansion means that the universe is continually evolving, and with it our understanding of the cosmos must expand as well. Now, imagine trying to measure the age of the universe. Scientists employ a fascinating technique involving the Hubble constant, named after the astronomer Edwin Hubble, who first discovered the universe's expansion. By measuring the rate at which galaxies move away from us, we can estimate how long the universe has been expanding. This cosmic clock ticks in a way that connects the birth of the universe to its present state, giving us a profound glimpse into the timeline of everything. Here's another intriguing detail. The universe's expansion is not uniform. Some regions expand faster than others, influenced by the distribution of matter and energy. It's like a cosmic quilt, with patches growing at different rates, reminding us of the complexity and diversity inherent in the universe's design. This uneven expansion offers insights into the distribution of dark matter and helps us understand the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Speaking of the vast structure of the universe, did you know that cosmic time is not quite like our time? While we count years and centuries, the universe operates on a timescale that stretches across billions of years. This immense span of time allows for the birth and death of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the rise of life itself. When you think about it, our human lives are but a brief moment in this grand cosmic timeline, yet every moment is a link in the chain of the universe's story. Let me share something truly remarkable. The universe is finely tuned for life. Certain fundamental constants, like the force of gravity or the charge of the electron, have specific values that allow stars to exist, planets to form, and life to emerge. Can you imagine the delicate balance required for this cosmic harmony? It's a gentle reminder of the universe's intricate design, where even the smallest changes could mean a cosmos devoid of life and wonder. This reminds me of another fascinating fact. Time itself is intertwined with the fabric of space, creating what we call space-time. This concept, introduced by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity, means that massive objects like planets and stars warp the space-time around them, bending the path of light and influencing the motion of other objects. It's as if the universe is a vast, interconnected web, where the dance of celestial bodies shapes the very nature of time and space. And speaking of celestial bodies, consider this. The universe is filled with remnants of its fiery past, like black holes, which are formed from the collapse of massive stars. These enigmatic objects possess such strong gravitational pulls that not even light can escape them. Imagine the mysteries that lie at their core in regions known as singularities, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Black holes are like cosmic gatekeepers, shrouded in mystery and yet full of potential for discovery. You might think stars are eternal, but they too have life cycles. Over millions to billions of years, stars like our Sun burn through their fuel, eventually reaching the end of their lives. They can explode in brilliant supernovae, scattering elements across the cosmos, which in turn form new stars and planets. It's a beautiful cycle of creation and destruction, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. In the grand scheme of things, the universe is a place of constant evolution. As galaxies merge and stars are born and die, the universe itself continues to unfold, offering new mysteries and insights at every turn. Each discovery is a piece of a larger puzzle, one that we are continually piecing together as we strive to understand our place in this vast, wondrous cosmos. So, as we drift through these tales of the universe, let us pause once more to appreciate the intricate beauty and vastness that surrounds us. The universe, in all its complexity, is a testament to the harmony and balance that underpin reality. As you close your eyes tonight, may these stories of cosmic wonder fill your dreams, and may you rest in the gentle embrace of the universe's mysteries. Until we meet again on our next cosmic journey, let the stars guide you to a peaceful slumber. Welcome back, dear listener. As we journey together through the universe, let's explore the enchanting dance of space and time. Did you know that space and time are not separate entities, but rather they are woven together in a cosmic fabric known as space-time? This concept is crucial in understanding how gravity shapes everything around us. Imagine space-time as a vast, flexible sheet. When massive objects like stars or planets rest upon this sheet, they cause it to curve. This curvature tells objects how to move, which is why planets orbit stars and light bends around massive bodies. It's a bit like how a marble spirals around a funnel before settling at the bottom. The elegance of this interplay is a testament to the universe's innate harmony. Here's something fascinating. The way gravity influences light leads to a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. When light passes near a massive object, the gravitational field bends the light, much like a lens bends light passing through it. This effect can magnify and distort the light from distant galaxies, allowing us to peer even further into the cosmos. It's remarkable to think that gravity, a force we experience as holding us to Earth, can also allow us to glimpse the edges of the visible universe. And speaking of seeing the unseen, did you know that stars and galaxies are just a small fraction of the universe's total mass? While visible matter makes up only about 5%, the rest is composed of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter, though invisible, exerts gravitational forces, helping to hold galaxies together. Without it, galaxies would simply fly apart. It's a silent partner in the universe's orchestration, an unseen hand guiding the cosmic dance. Let's delve deeper. Dark energy, on the other hand, is even more mysterious. It is believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. Imagine blowing up a balloon and watching it grow faster and faster. That's what dark energy does to space itself. It pushes the universe to expand at increasing speeds, defying the gravitational pull of all matter within it. It's as if the cosmos has its own breath, slowly filling the infinite void. Here's something that might surprise you. Our understanding of time is tightly linked to the motion of celestial bodies. Think of how the rotation of Earth gives us day and night, and its orbit around the Sun defines our year. Yet time is not uniform in the universe. According to the theory of relativity, time can stretch and compress depending on gravity and speed. Near a black hole, where gravity is intense, time slows dramatically. So, while a few hours might pass for an observer near a black hole, years could pass for someone far away. It's a curious thought that time itself is flexible, adapting to the universe's grand design. This reminds me of the intriguing relationship between the vast and the minute. While galaxies collide and stars are born and die, on smaller scales, particles dance to their own rhythm. The universe is a stage where both the grand and the infinitesimal play their parts. From swirling galaxies to the quarks within atoms, everything is interconnected in a web of cause and effect. Let me tell you something truly remarkable. The universe operates on cycles, much like the seasons we experience on Earth. Stars are born from nebulas, live their lives, and die in spectacular events like supernovae. The remnants of these stars then seed the next generation. It's a cosmic recycling process. The cycle of creation and destruction is perpetual, reminding us of the balance that pervades the universe. You might think that we are isolated in this vast cosmos, but actually, everything is connected. The atoms in your body were forged in the heart of stars. You are, in a very real sense, a child of the universe. This connection extends beyond the physical. The same laws of nature apply everywhere, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. It's a comforting thought that despite the universe's immensity, the rules are the same. And speaking of universal laws, did you know that the universe has no center? The Big Bang did not explode from a single point into space. Instead, space itself expanded. It's like baking a raisin bread where the dough rises and every raisin moves away from each other. No raisin is the center. Similarly, every point in the universe can be thought of as its center. This homogeneous expansion is a fundamental feature of our cosmos. Here's another fascinating fact. The cosmic microwave background radiation is a relic from the early universe. A faint glow left over from the Big Bang. It fills the universe, providing a snapshot of the cosmos when it was just 380,000 years old. This radiation is our oldest picture of the universe, a whisper from the dawn of time that tells us about the universe's infancy. This cosmic background also reveals something intriguing about the universe's shape. Current evidence suggests that the universe is flat, like a sheet of paper. This flatness implies that even as the universe expands, parallel lines will never meet. It's a testament to the universe's grand architecture, where the structure is both simple and profound. As we continue to marvel at the universe's grandeur, consider this: all these patterns and cycles are part of a dynamic equilibrium. The universe is constantly changing, yet bound by its fundamental laws. This balance ensures that while stars die, new ones are born, while galaxies merge, new structures form. It's a beautiful reminder of the universe's resilience and its capacity to renew itself. In the grand scheme of things, the universe is a place of intricate patterns and connections. Each discovery we make is a step closer to understanding the cosmic story. As we piece together these fragments of knowledge, we gain a clearer vision of the universe's tapestry. As you drift into a peaceful slumber tonight, may these tales of cosmic wonder fill your dreams. Imagine the stars twinkling above, each one a beacon of light and mystery, and may you find comfort in knowing that you are part of this grand cosmic journey. Until we meet again, let the universe's harmony guide you to a restful night. Welcome back to our serene journey through the universe, as we uncover more of its surprising truths. Settle in, get comfortable, and let me gently guide you through this cosmic tapestry. Did you know that the universe is not just expanding, but it's doing so at an ever-accelerating pace? This intriguing phenomenon is driven by something mysterious known as dark energy. Dark energy makes up about 70% of the universe, yet it remains one of the biggest puzzles in astrophysics. Imagine it as an invisible force, gently pushing galaxies away from each other, like cosmic dancers slowly parting ways across a vast ballroom. Speaking of dark mysteries, another fascinating aspect of the universe is dark matter. This elusive substance doesn't emit light or energy, making it completely invisible, and yet it accounts for about 27% of the universe. It's quite remarkable because, without dark matter, galaxies would not have the gravitational glue necessary to hold them together. You see, while we can't see dark matter directly, its presence is evidenced by the gravitational effects on visible matter, like stars and galaxies, as if they are being tugged by an unseen hand. And speaking of gravity, here's something mind-bending. Did you know that the gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape it? That's why they're called black holes. They absorb everything, leaving nothing to reflect or emit light. Imagine a star collapsing under its own gravity, compressing into a point smaller than a pinhead, yet containing the mass equivalent to millions of suns. It's a cosmic enigma that continues to captivate scientists and dreamers alike. This reminds me of something equally astonishing. The nature of black holes can bend and warp space-time itself. Picture space-time as a stretchy fabric and black holes as marbles that sink and distort this fabric. This warping effect causes anything, including light, to follow a curved path. It's a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's general theory of relativity, illustrating once again the deep interconnections of the universe's physical laws. And here's a fascinating fact about the universe's scale. When we look up at the night sky, we are actually looking back in time. Because light takes time to travel from distant stars and galaxies to Earth, the starlight we see tonight left its source thousands, if not millions of years ago. Imagine stargazing as a journey through a cosmic history book, with each point of light a note from the past whispering tales of ancient events. This ancient light leads us to ponder the life cycles of stars themselves. Stars are born from swirling clouds of gas and dust in stellar nurseries, where gravity and pressure work their magic over millions of years. As stars mature, they shine brightly, converting hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. Eventually, stars exhaust their fuel, leading to dramatic ends such as supernovae, which scatter elements into space, seeding the birth of new stars and planets. Speaking of stars and planets, here's something captivating. Our own solar system was born from the remnants of earlier stars that exploded in supernovae. This cosmic recycling is why the very atoms in your body were once part of distant stars. Isn't it humbling to think that you, me, and everything around us are made of stardust? As we marvel at our universe's interconnectedness, consider this: the elements necessary for life, like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, were forged in the hearts of stars. These elements are the building blocks of life as we know it, illustrating a profound cosmic connection between the stars above and life on Earth. It's a beautiful reminder of the universe's boundless creativity. And while we're on the topic of life, you might find this interesting. The Drake equation is a famous formula used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. Although it's more of a thought experiment than a precise calculation, it inspires us to ponder the possibility of life beyond Earth. Imagine the universe teeming with life, each with its own unique story and journey through the cosmos. This possibility of extraterrestrial life brings us back to our home planet. Earth's position in the habitable zone of the solar system is crucial for sustaining life. This zone, often called the Goldilocks zone, is where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist, not too hot and not too cold. It's fascinating to imagine how the delicate balance of forces has come together to create our living, breathing planet. And speaking of balance, let's consider the universe's cosmic equilibrium. Despite its vast complexity, the universe operates under a harmonious set of physical laws that govern everything from the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies. This cosmic order ensures that, despite its chaotic appearance, the universe remains a cohesive and functioning whole. In this ordered yet ever-changing universe, new discoveries constantly reshape our understanding. For example, recent observations suggest that there could be rogue planets that drift through space untethered to any star. Imagine these lonely wanderers traveling silently through the dark expanses of the cosmos, each a testament to the universe's unpredictability. These surprising truths remind us that the universe is full of wonder and mystery, ever inviting us to explore its depths and question our place within it. As you drift into a peaceful slumber tonight, let these cosmic tales fill your dreams with possibilities and ponderings. Imagine the quiet majesty of the universe, gently cradling us in its vast embrace. Until we meet again, may your night be as tranquil as the stars above. Welcome back, dear listener, to our cosmic exploration. Let me guide you through the universe's final reflections, a tapestry woven with wonder and discovery. As you settle into the gentle embrace of the night, let's unravel the mysteries that lie beyond our earthly grasp. Did you know that stars are born from vast clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae? Picture these stellar nurseries, where gravity pulls particles together until they ignite into new suns. It's fascinating to consider that each star begins its life engulfed in a cloud that, to us, seems empty and dark. Yet within these nebulous regions, the seeds of light are sown. Speaking of stars, here's something fascinating. Not all stars are destined to end their lives in a blaze of glory. Some, like our sun, will expand into red giants before shedding their outer layers, leaving behind a core that becomes a white dwarf. These glowing remnants, slowly cooling over billions of years, are like cosmic embers scattered across the night sky. Can you imagine the quiet dignity of these ancient stars as they fade into the universe's tapestry? This reminds me of the incredible transformation stars undergo. When massive stars exhaust their fuel, they explode in a supernova, a brilliant finale visible across galaxies. But did you know that these explosions are crucial for life itself? They scatter elements like iron and calcium into space, which eventually form planets, and remarkably, even our own bodies. In a profound way, we are all connected to these stellar deaths, carrying pieces of stardust within us. Isn't that a wondrous thought? Now, consider this. After a supernova, the core of the star can become a neutron star, or, if massive enough, collapse into a black hole. Here's something that might surprise you. A neutron star is incredibly dense, containing more mass than our Sun in a sphere only about 20 kilometers across. Imagine the immense pressure within, where protons and electrons merge to form neutrons. It's a realm where our typical understanding of matter blurs into something new and extraordinary. You might think that black holes, those mysterious cosmic entities, simply devour everything around them, but actually they play a fundamental role in shaping galaxies. Their immense gravitational pull helps to anchor galaxies, influencing the orbits of stars and gas clouds. In this way, black holes act as cosmic architects, ensuring the dynamic structure we observe in the universe. And speaking of cosmic structures, did you know that galaxies can interact and merge over billions of years? These colossal dances lead to the formation of new galaxies, often more massive and complex. Picture two galaxies spiraling towards each other, their stars weaving intricate patterns as gravitational forces mold them into a new cosmic form. This process reminds us that even in the universe, creation and transformation are intertwined. Here's another fascinating fact. The universe is expanding, and it's doing so at an accelerating rate. This acceleration is driven by dark energy, an enigmatic force that makes up about 70% of the universe. Though invisible and still largely mysterious, dark energy is reshaping our cosmos, stretching it ever larger. Imagine the universe as a vast balloon, slowly inflating with each passing moment, carrying galaxies further apart on its expanding surface. In the grand scheme of things, this expansion means that distant galaxies are moving away from us, their light stretched into longer wavelengths. This phenomenon, known as redshift, provides a cosmic timeline, allowing astronomers to peer back in time. The farther we look, the older the light we see, offering glimpses into the universe's youth and the evolution of its galaxies. Isn't it amazing how light, traveling over billions of years, can reveal such ancient stories? Let me tell you something truly remarkable. Even in the emptiest regions of space, there is a background hum of radiation known as the cosmic microwave background. This relic light, a remnant of the Big Bang, fills the universe with a faint, omnipresent glow. It's humbling to think that this cosmic echo connects us to the universe's very beginning, a time when space and time as we know them were born. And as we contemplate the universe's origins, let's not forget the potential for new beginnings. Did you know that astronomers are constantly discovering exoplanets orbiting distant stars? These planets, each with their own unique conditions, fuel the dream of finding life beyond Earth. With thousands already identified, the search continues, expanding our understanding of what constitutes a habitable world. This possibility of extraterrestrial life brings us back to our home planet. Earth's position in the habitable zone of the solar system is crucial for sustaining life. This zone, often called the Goldilocks zone, is where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist, not too hot and not too cold. It's fascinating to imagine how the delicate balance of forces has come together to create our living, breathing planet. And speaking of balance, let's consider the universe's cosmic equilibrium. Despite its vast complexity, the universe operates under a harmonious set of physical laws that govern everything from the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies. This cosmic order ensures that, despite its chaotic appearance, the universe remains a cohesive and functioning whole. In this ordered yet ever-changing universe, new discoveries constantly reshape our understanding. For example, recent observations suggest that there could be rogue planets that drift through space untethered to any star. Imagine these lonely wanderers, traveling silently through the dark expanses of the cosmos, each a testament to the universe's unpredictability. These surprising truths remind us that the universe is full of wonder and mystery, ever inviting us to explore its depths and question our place within it. As you drift into a peaceful slumber, let these cosmic tales fill your dreams with possibilities and ponderings. Imagine the quiet majesty of the universe, gently cradling us in its vast embrace. Until we meet again, may your night be as tranquil as the stars above. Welcome back, dear listener. Tonight, let's explore the universe with a gentle touch and discover the fascinating science behind the cosmos. As we venture into this realm of endless mystery, imagine the universe as a vast, intricate tapestry woven with threads of knowledge and wonder. Did you know that light, the very essence of illumination, travels at an astounding speed of nearly 300,000 kilometers per second? This means that when you gaze at the stars, you're actually looking into the past. The light from those distant stars has traveled across the universe for years, sometimes even millions of years, to reach your eyes. Imagine photons, those tiny particles of light, embarking on a journey through the cosmos, painting the night sky with their glow. This remarkable journey provides us with a glimpse into the universe's history, a celestial time machine that connects us to the very birth of these distant stars. Speaking of light and its incredible speed, let's delve into the fascinating concept of relativity. Albert Einstein, the brilliant mind behind this theory, proposed that time and space are not absolute but relative. His theory of general relativity suggests that massive objects like planets and stars warp the fabric of space and time around them. Imagine space as a soft, stretchy fabric and massive objects as heavy balls placed on it. The balls create dimples in the fabric, affecting the path of everything, from light to smaller objects. This is why planets orbit stars, tracing the curves in space-time created by the star's immense mass. Here's something fascinating. The bending of light around massive objects is known as gravitational lensing. Picture this: a massive galaxy cluster acting as a cosmic magnifying glass, bending and distorting the light from objects behind it. This phenomenon allows astronomers to observe galaxies and stars that would otherwise be invisible, hidden behind their brighter counterparts. It's a captivating dance of gravity and light, revealing hidden treasures of the cosmos. Now, let's shift our focus to the enigmatic black holes, the mysterious remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity. Did you know that black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape? This is why they appear as dark voids in the universe. Imagine a star, many times larger than our Sun, reaching the end of its life and collapsing into an infinitely small point known as a singularity. The gravitational pull becomes so intense that it creates an event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can return. What's truly mind-boggling is the concept of Hawking radiation. Named after the renowned physicist Stephen Hawking, this phenomenon suggests that black holes are not entirely black. Instead, they emit tiny amounts of radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. Over unimaginable spans of time, this radiation could cause black holes to evaporate completely. Picture this as a cosmic whisper, slowly dissipating the black hole's mass into the universe. It's a process that challenges our understanding of the cosmos, blurring the line between creation and destruction. Speaking of quantum effects, let's explore the realm of quantum mechanics, where the universe behaves in ways that defy our everyday intuition. Did you know that particles, the building blocks of matter, can exist in multiple states simultaneously? This is known as superposition. Imagine a tiny particle, like an electron, being in two places at once until it's observed. At that moment, it chooses a definite position. This peculiar behavior is a fundamental aspect of the quantum world, where probability plays a more significant role than certainty. Another intriguing aspect of quantum mechanics is entanglement. When two particles become entangled, they remain connected, even if separated by vast distances. Imagine two particles born together in the heart of a star, forever linked in a cosmic dance. If you change the state of one particle, the other instantly responds, no matter how far apart they are. This spooky action at a distance, as Einstein called it, challenges our classical understanding of locality and time, suggesting that the universe is more interconnected than we can comprehend. In the grand scheme of things, these quantum laws govern the behavior of particles on the smallest scales, while relativity describes the universe on the largest. It's a harmonious balance, a cosmic symphony where each note contributes to the intricate melody of existence. And yet, there's much we don't understand, especially when it comes to unifying these two theories into a single framework, a quest known as the theory of everything. Let me share something truly remarkable, the concept of dark matter and dark energy. While we're familiar with the observable universe, stars, galaxies, and planets, this only accounts for a small portion of the cosmos. About 85% of the universe's mass is thought to be dark matter, an invisible substance that doesn't emit or absorb light. We can't see it directly, but its presence is inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter. Imagine dark matter as an unseen scaffold holding galaxies together and shaping the large-scale structure of the universe. Then there's dark energy, a mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Picture the universe as a balloon being blown up, with galaxies moving away from each other as the space between them stretches. Dark energy is the force causing this expansion, pushing the universe to grow at an ever-increasing rate. Together, dark matter and dark energy form the backbone of the cosmos, yet their true nature remains one of the greatest mysteries in astronomy. In this vast sea of knowledge, consider the role of cosmic inflation, a theory that describes the universe's rapid expansion in the moments following the Big Bang. Imagine the universe as a tiny, dense point that suddenly ballooned, expanding exponentially in a fraction of a second. This inflationary period smoothed out the universe, leading to the large-scale structures we observe today. It's a glimpse into the universe's early moments, a testament to the dynamic processes that shape our cosmic home. As we near the end of this chapter, let's reflect on the universe's ability to surprise us with its complexity and elegance. The more we uncover, the more questions arise, inviting us to explore further, to seek deeper understanding. Each discovery is a piece of the puzzle, a step towards comprehending the universe's grand design. As you prepare to drift into a peaceful slumber, let these musings on the universe's mysteries accompany you into your dreams. Imagine yourself as a traveler through the cosmos, gently cradled by the night sky's vast embrace. May your night be filled with wonder and tranquility, as vast and serene as the universe itself. Until we meet again, rest well and let your imagination soar among the stars. Welcome back, dear listener. Let's embark on another gentle journey through the mysterious and awe-inspiring realm of the universe. As you settle into a comfortable position, let your imagination drift among the stars as we delve into the historical perspectives that have shaped our understanding of the cosmos. Did you know that our perception of the universe has evolved dramatically over the centuries? Imagine standing in a time long before telescopes, when the night sky was humanity's only canvas for cosmic curiosity. Ancient civilizations looked to the stars for guidance, weaving them into myths and legends. Let me share something interesting. The ancient Greeks believed that the stars were fixed in a celestial sphere surrounding the Earth. This idea persisted for centuries and became a fundamental part of early cosmological thought. Picture this. Aristotle, a great philosopher from ancient Greece, imagined the heavens as a series of concentric crystalline spheres, each carrying a different celestial body, from the moon to the stars. This intriguing model placed Earth at the center of the universe, reflecting the geocentric worldview of the time. Here's something fascinating to consider. In the 16th century, a monumental shift occurred when Nicholas Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model, positioning the Sun rather than Earth at the center of the universe. Can you imagine the wonder and controversy this idea must have sparked? This revolutionary theory paved the way for a deeper understanding of our solar system and beyond. Copernicus's ideas sparked a scientific revolution that forever changed our view of the cosmos. Speaking of paradigm shifts, let me tell you about Galileo Galilei, who in the early 17th century made astonishing discoveries with his telescope. Before Galileo's time, the moon was thought to be a smooth, perfect sphere. But when Galileo aimed his telescope skyward, he saw craters and mountains, revealing the moon's rugged, imperfect surface. Imagine the excitement of seeing such details, previously hidden from human eyes. Galileo's observations also included the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, which he described as tiny stars orbiting the giant planet. This demonstrated that not everything revolved around the Earth, providing further evidence for the heliocentric model. In the grand tapestry of history, Isaac Newton emerges as a central thread. In the late 17th century, Newton introduced the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Can you picture the wonder of a falling apple inspiring profound insights into the workings of the universe? Newton's groundbreaking work showed how the same force that causes an apple to fall also governs the motion of the planets. This was a unifying moment in science, linking the heavens with the earth under a single law of nature. Let me share something truly remarkable. In the early 20th century, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity fundamentally changed our understanding of space and time. Imagine space as a fabric being stretched and warped by massive objects like stars and planets. This was Einstein's insight into gravity, not just a force, but a curvature of space-time. Through relativity, Einstein showed us that time is not an absolute constant, but can flow differently depending on speed and gravity. This concept was revolutionary and continues to influence our understanding of the universe. Speaking of which, did you know that the discovery of the expanding universe was another pivotal moment in the history of astronomy? In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies were moving away from us, suggesting the universe is expanding. Picture the universe as a loaf of raisin bread rising in the oven. As the dough expands, the raisins move apart, just as galaxies do in space. Hubble's work laid the foundation for the Big Bang theory, offering a compelling narrative for the universe's origin and evolution. This reminds me of another fascinating idea, the cosmic microwave background radiation. Discovered in the 1960s, this faint glow of light is a remnant from the early universe, a whisper from the dawn of time. Imagine tuning an old-fashioned radio and hearing a faint, steady hiss. That's the sound of the universe's infancy echoing across the cosmos. The cosmic microwave background provides crucial evidence for the Big Bang and helps astronomers understand the universe's early conditions. In the grand scheme of things, these historical perspectives show us how our understanding of the universe has grown, layer by layer, like the rings of a tree. Each discovery builds on the last, creating a more complete picture of the cosmos. The journey from ancient stargazers to modern astrophysicists is a testament to human curiosity and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we reflect on these historical perspectives, consider the role of human ingenuity and perseverance. These are the qualities that have propelled our understanding forward, allowing us to glimpse deeper into the mysteries of the universe. The more we learn, the more we appreciate the intricate beauty of the cosmos and our place within it. Imagine yourself as a part of this unbroken chain of discovery, contributing to the collective understanding of the universe. It's a humbling reminder of our connection to something much larger than ourselves. Each new insight adds a brushstroke to the cosmic canvas, painting a picture that is both complex and beautiful. As we continue our journey through the universe, let these musings on historical perspectives accompany you into the night. May they inspire dreams of exploration and discovery, guiding you through the vast starry tapestry that is our universe. Until we meet again, rest well and let your imagination soar among the stars. Welcome back, dear listener, to another gentle exploration of the universe, where the boundaries between science and culture blur in fascinating ways. Picture the night sky as a vast tapestry woven with stories and stars, each thread a testament to humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos. As you settle in and relax, let me share some intriguing reflections on how cultures across history have connected with the universe. It's a journey that reveals not just the universe's mysteries, but also the profound ways we've woven these celestial wonders into the fabric of our lives. Did you know that many ancient cultures viewed the stars as not just distant suns, but as deities, heroes, and spirits? This cosmic tapestry was a celestial map that guided not only navigation, but also the spiritual lives of our ancestors. Imagine the ancient Egyptians looking up at the night sky, seeing not random points of light, but the gods themselves. The constellation Orion, for instance, was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. The alignment of the pyramids at Giza with Orion's belt is a testament to how deeply the stars were integrated into their beliefs and architecture. Here's something fascinating to ponder. Across the world, the stories written in the stars are as diverse as the cultures that have gazed up at them. In ancient China, the night sky was divided into segments known as the 28 mansions, each corresponding to specific animals and mythological stories. These segments were used not only for astrological interpretations, but also for charting the passage of time and marking important events. Such celestial organization speaks volumes about the ancient Chinese understanding of the cosmos and the significance they placed on the heavens. Speaking of celestial organization, let me share something truly remarkable about the ancient Greeks. They saw the universe as a well-ordered system, a cosmos, derived from the Greek word meaning order or beauty. Aristotle, one of the great thinkers of ancient Greece, proposed a geocentric model where the Earth was at the center of the universe. This model, although later corrected, reflects the human desire to find order and meaning in the cosmos. Can you imagine living in a time when the heavens were thought to revolve around our own world, creating a profound sense of cosmic importance? This reminds me of another fascinating connection: the role of the universe in timekeeping. Ancient cultures, like the Maya, devised intricate calendars based on celestial events. The Mayan calendar, with its precise calculation of solar and lunar cycles, not only helped in agricultural planning, but also in the timing of religious ceremonies. Picture ancient astronomers observing the stars, meticulously recording their movements, and crafting a calendar that harmonized earthly life with celestial rhythms. It's a testament to their deep understanding of the universe's clockwork. Let me share another intriguing aspect: the influence of the cosmos on language and symbolism. Many cultures have looked to the stars for inspiration, crafting myths and legends that reflect the human condition. The word disaster, for instance, comes from the Greek dous, meaning bad, and aster, meaning star, originally referring to the belief that bad things would happen when the stars were out of alignment. It's fascinating to consider how this cosmic connection still echoes in our language today, a reminder of how the universe has shaped our perception of fate and fortune. This connects to something else equally captivating: how modern technology continues to draw inspiration from the universe. Consider the names of space missions and spacecraft, like the Apollo program, named after the Greek god of light and music, or the Voyager probes, which carry the Golden Record, a time capsule of earthly sounds and images, out into the cosmos. These choices reflect our cultural reverence and aspirations as we continue to look to the stars for guidance and inspiration. Imagine standing beneath a vast starlit sky, reflecting on how these celestial bodies have not only shaped our night skies, but also our collective imagination. Across ages and cultures, the stars have been our storytellers, guiding us through both the physical and mystical realms. They have inspired art, literature, and science in profound ways. The more you delve into these cultural connections, the more you realize that the universe is not just a canvas of scientific inquiry, but also a source of artistic and spiritual inspiration. Consider the stories of the Native American tribes, who saw the constellations as representations of animals and heroes. For example, the Lakota Sioux envisioned a sacred hoop, symbolizing the circle of life reflected in the constellations. These stories served as both teaching tools and moral guides, intertwining the heavens with the earth. It's a gentle reminder of how these celestial patterns have guided everything from migrations to moral lessons, offering a unique lens through which to view the world. Picture this: even today, our cultural narratives continue to evolve alongside our understanding of the universe. Science fiction, for instance, often serves as a modern myth exploring the possibilities of life among the stars and the ethical implications of space exploration. These narratives expand our horizons and challenge our imaginations, inviting us to dream of futures where humanity reaches beyond the confines of Earth. The more you learn about these cultural connections, the more you appreciate the intricate web of stories that the universe inspires. It's a testament to the human spirit's drive to seek meaning in the cosmos, to connect our earthly lives with the vastness above. Whether through ancient myths or futuristic tales, the stars continue to be a source of wonder and reflection. As we draw back for a moment, let these cultural reflections deepen your appreciation for the universe's role in our shared human story. It's a story that transcends borders and time, reminding us of our place in the cosmos and our enduring quest to understand it. As you drift into the night, let these musings accompany you, weaving dreams filled with the rich tapestry of stars and stories. Until we meet again, may you rest well under the watchful gaze of the universe, ever inspiring and guiding us through its boundless mysteries. Welcome back to our gentle exploration of the universe, a realm where the stars are our storytellers and the cosmos whispers secrets of time and space. Imagine yourself floating quietly among the stars, where the silence of the universe encourages contemplation and the vast darkness speaks of endless possibilities. It's a place where the future of the universe unfolds not only in galaxies and stars, but also in our dreams and aspirations for the cosmos. Let me share something interesting about the universe's destiny. Did you know that the universe is constantly expanding? This discovery, made by astronomers in the early 20th century, revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Imagine the universe as a vast balloon, slowly inflating over time. Every galaxy, every star, and every planet moves farther apart as the universe grows larger. This expansion is driven by an enigmatic force known as dark energy. Here's a fascinating fact. Dark energy is thought to make up about 70% of the universe, yet it's completely invisible and remains one of the greatest mysteries of modern astrophysics. Speaking of which, let's explore what this expansion means for the future of the universe. One possibility is the Big Freeze, a scenario where the universe continues to expand indefinitely. As it grows larger, galaxies move farther apart, and stars eventually burn out, leaving a cold, dark universe. Picture a cosmos where the night sky slowly dims as stars become distant memories, and space becomes an ever-increasing stretch of emptiness. It's a sobering vision, yet it reminds us of the transient beauty of stars and the preciousness of light. But the universe could have other fates. Another theory is the Big Crunch, where the universe's expansion eventually halts and reverses, collapsing back into a singular point. This cyclical view suggests that the universe could be reborn in a new Big Bang. Imagine the universe as a cosmic phoenix, continually renewing itself in an eternal cycle of death and rebirth. Such a perspective invites profound reflection on the nature of time and existence, and it gently nudges us to consider our place within this grand cycle. Now, let's consider how humans fit into this cosmic future. You might think our role is minor, but actually our curiosity and creativity have the potential to shape the universe's destiny. Picture this. As we develop technologies to harness the energy of stars and perhaps even galaxies, we might alter cosmic systems in ways we can scarcely imagine. This power brings with it ethical questions about the responsibility we hold as stewards of the cosmos. The more you learn about our potential to explore and perhaps even colonize other planets, the more amazing it becomes. Did you know that scientists are already planning for future missions to Mars and beyond? These ambitious projects are not just about seeking new frontiers, but also about securing humanity's future in a universe that is ever-changing. Imagine humans living among the stars, carrying with them the stories of Earth and expanding the tapestry of cultures to new worlds. It's an inspiring vision, one that fuels both scientific endeavor and philosophical reflection. Here's something fascinating to consider. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding new life forms, but also about understanding the conditions that foster life. In doing so, we gain insights into the resilience and adaptability of life itself. Imagine discovering microbial life on Mars, or beneath the icy crusts of Jupiter's moons. Such a discovery would not only expand our understanding of biology, but also challenge our perception of life's uniqueness in the universe. This connects to something else fascinating, the idea that by searching for life elsewhere, we may better appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. In the grand scheme of things, this perspective encourages us to take actions that preserve our planet's ecosystems, ensuring that future generations can continue their own journeys of exploration and discovery. As we drift further into these contemplations, let's pause to reflect on the philosophical implications of these cosmic futures. Picture the universe as both a stage and a canvas, where each star, each planet, and each life form plays a part in a grand cosmic drama. Our understanding of the universe is continually evolving, shaped by both scientific discoveries and the narratives we create. In this way, the universe is not just a collection of stars and galaxies, but also a reflection of our hopes, dreams, and aspirations. So, as you close your eyes tonight, let these musings on the future of the universe cradle you into a peaceful slumber. Consider how the universe, in its vastness, offers endless possibilities for discovery and understanding. And as we continue to explore this majestic cosmos, may we find inspiration in its mysteries and comfort in the knowledge that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves. Until we meet again on this cosmic journey, let your dreams be filled with stars and the gentle hum of the universe's eternal dance. Rest well knowing that the universe watches over us, whispering stories of time, space, and the enduring quest for knowledge. Welcome back to our gentle exploration of the universe, where each fact unfurls like a delicate petal, revealing the profound beauty of the cosmos and its deeper meanings. Tonight, let's allow our imaginations to drift far beyond the familiar as we explore the universe's larger meanings, connecting the dots of knowledge to paint a broad and wondrous picture. Did you know that the universe communicates with us in ways that are both subtle and grand? One such form of cosmic communication is the light that reaches us from distant stars and galaxies. Traveling across countless light years, this light is a messenger from the past, bearing stories of stars long extinguished and galaxies in their infancy. Imagine a star so distant that its light takes millions of years to reach us. By the time we see its twinkle, that star might no longer exist. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? This reminds us that when we gaze at the night sky, we are looking back in time, witnessing ancient stories written in starlight. Speaking of time, here's a fascinating fact. The concept of time as we know it is deeply intertwined with the universe's structure. In the grand scheme of things, time flows differently in various parts of the universe. Near a massive object like a black hole, gravity is so intense that it warps time, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Can you imagine standing near a black hole, where seconds stretch into hours compared to Earth? It's a cosmic dance that challenges our everyday understanding of time and reminds us of the universe's complex choreography. This interplay between time and gravity connects to another intriguing idea: the universe's ultimate fate. Scientists ponder over how the universe will end, considering scenarios like the Big Freeze, where galaxies drift apart into an endless expanse of cold darkness, or the Big Crunch, where the universe collapses back into itself. Each of these possibilities reflects the delicate balance between the forces that shape our cosmos. It's a reminder of the impermanence that underlies the vast tapestry of existence, offering a philosophical reflection on the nature of beginnings and endings. Let me share something truly remarkable about the universe's structure. The universe is a vast web of filaments and voids, with galaxies strung together like pearls on a cosmic necklace. These filaments are composed of dark matter, the elusive substance that we cannot see, but whose presence is felt through its gravitational pull. Picture this cosmic web, an intricate lattice stretching across the universe, guiding the formation of galaxies and stars. This grand design speaks to the universe's inherent order, a majestic structure that underpins the chaos we often perceive. The more you learn about this cosmic web, the more amazing it becomes. Imagine the forces at play, shaping the universe not through visible matter, but through the unseen. This concept of dark matter invites us to consider the unseen forces in our own lives, those subtle influences that shape our paths in ways we might not immediately recognize. It's a gentle reminder of the hidden currents that guide us, often unnoticed yet profoundly impactful. Now, let's reflect on another extraordinary aspect of the universe, its ability to inspire wonder and curiosity. From the earliest astronomers to modern-day scientists, the universe has been a source of endless fascination. As we uncover its mysteries, we are driven by a deep desire to understand our place within it. This innate curiosity is a fundamental part of what it means to be human. It connects us to our ancestors who gazed at the same stars, wondering about the same questions we ponder today. This quest for understanding is not just about gathering facts, but also about seeking meaning. The universe, vast and mysterious, holds lessons that extend beyond scientific discovery. It teaches us about resilience, adaptability, and the interconnectedness of all things. When we study the universe, we are also exploring the nature of life itself, contemplating our own origins and the fragile line that connects us to the stars. Here's something fascinating. The elements that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars. This cosmic recycling process, where stars create new elements through nuclear fusion and then scatter them into space upon their death, is a testament to the universe's creativity. It transforms lifeless matter into the building blocks of life, reminding us that we are, quite literally, made of stardust. This connection to the stars is both humbling and empowering, as it links us to the cosmos in a profound and intimate way. As we delve deeper into these cosmic truths, let's pause to appreciate the beauty of uncertainty. The universe is a place filled with questions, and with each answer we uncover, new mysteries emerge. This cycle of discovery is a testament to the boundless nature of knowledge and the joy of exploration. It teaches us that not knowing everything is part of the journey, encouraging us to embrace curiosity and wonder as lifelong companions. In the grand tapestry of existence, the universe is a mirror reflecting our hopes, dreams, and aspirations. It's a canvas where each of us paints our stories, guided by the light of stars that have watched over countless generations. As we continue this journey of exploration, let us find comfort in the knowledge that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, woven into the fabric of the cosmos. So as you close your eyes tonight, let these musings on the universe cradle you into a peaceful slumber. Consider how the universe, in its vastness, offers endless possibilities for discovery and understanding. And as we explore this majestic cosmos, may we find inspiration in its mysteries and comfort in the knowledge that we are connected to the stars, both in substance and spirit. Until we meet again on this cosmic journey, let your dreams be filled with stars and the gentle hum of the universe's eternal dance. Rest well, knowing that the universe watches over us, whispering stories of time, space, and the enduring quest for knowledge. Welcome back to this tranquil journey through the cosmos. As we drift deeper into the mysteries of the universe, Let me share something truly remarkable. Did you know that the universe has its own kind of symphony? It's a cosmic orchestra playing notes we can't hear with our ears, but rather with sensitive instruments that capture the vibrations of space itself. These are known as gravitational waves, and they are ripples in space-time caused by some of the most cataclysmic events in the universe, like the collision of black holes or neutron stars. Just as stones thrown into a pond create ripples, some cosmic events send waves through the fabric of space. These waves can travel for billions of years before they reach us, carrying with them a story of their origin. Gravitational waves were first predicted by Albert Einstein in his theory of general relativity, but it wasn't until the 21st century that we had the technology to detect them. The first direct observation of these waves was made in 2015, a discovery that confirmed a century-old prediction and opened an entirely new way of observing the universe. Here's something fascinating. The detection of gravitational waves has allowed us to hear the universe in a way that complements what we see with telescopes. It's as if we've added a new sense to our cosmic exploration, enabling us to experience the universe not just in images, but in vibrations too. This reminds me of how we as humans are constantly expanding our understanding through the senses we possess, always finding new ways to interact with the wonders around us. Speaking of which, let's delve into another aspect of the universe's harmony, the rhythm of cosmic cycles. Just as Earth has its cycles of day and night, the universe is a tapestry of cycles on scales both grand and minute. One of the most fundamental is the cycle of star birth and death. Stars are born in clouds of gas and dust, called nebulas, where gravity pulls these elements together until nuclear fusion ignites a new star. Over millions or even billions of years, stars live out their lives, eventually exhausting their fuel and undergoing transformations, becoming white dwarfs, neutron stars, or even black holes. This cycle is not just a process of creation and destruction, but a source of renewal. As stars die, they release elements into space, enriching the interstellar medium with the materials for new stars and planets. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic recycling system where nothing is wasted and every end heralds a new beginning. This cycle speaks to the universe's inherent balance, where even the most catastrophic events contribute to the ongoing story of creation. In the grand scheme of things, these cycles remind us of the interconnectedness of cosmic phenomena. The death of one star may spark the birth of another, and the elements that compose our bodies were once forged in the hearts of ancient stars. This connection is a gentle reminder of the continuity of life and the universe's role as both artist and architect in the infinite tapestry of existence. Here's something that might surprise you. The universe operates on a rhythm that is largely invisible to us, and yet it is fundamental to our existence. The Earth's orbit around the Sun, the Moon's pull on our tides, the rotation of galaxies, all these movements are part of a greater cosmic dance. This dance is governed by the laws of physics, which, despite seeming complex, offer a sense of order in what might otherwise appear chaotic. The more you learn about these cycles, the more amazing they become. They reveal a universe that is both predictable and mysterious, where precision and spontaneity coexist. It's as if the universe is constantly in motion, weaving its intricate patterns across time and space, yet doing so with a grace that seems almost deliberate. Now, let me tell you something truly remarkable about the universe's balance of order and chaos. Consider the chaotic orbits of celestial bodies. On the surface, they may appear unpredictable, but upon closer inspection, they follow the elegant rules of celestial mechanics. The planets in our solar system, for instance, seem to dance around the sun in a beautifully choreographed routine, each orbit governed by the gravitational pull of the sun and the other planets. This intricate gravitational ballet is a testament to the universe's ability to maintain order within chaos. Even when orbits are perturbed, perhaps by the gravitational influence of a passing star or a rogue planet, they often settle back into a new equilibrium. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, there is a cosmic harmony that underlies the apparent randomness of celestial motion. In this harmony, we find a mirror for our own lives, where unpredictability and stability often coexist. The universe teaches us that embracing both order and chaos can lead to a deeper understanding of existence itself. It invites us to find beauty in the interplay of these forces, encouraging us to see the underlying patterns that connect all things. As we continue to explore these final wonders, let's reflect on the philosophical implications of such cosmic harmony. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, embodies a balance that can inspire us to seek equilibrium in our own lives. It encourages us to embrace the unknown, to find comfort in uncertainty, and to marvel at the intricate web of connections that bind us all. So, as you close your eyes tonight, let these musings on the universe fill your mind with thoughts of cosmic cycles, celestial music, and the delicate balance of order and chaos. Allow them to guide you into a peaceful slumber, where dreams of stars and the gentle vibrations of the universe's eternal dance whisper stories of time, space, and the endless quest for knowledge. Rest well, knowing that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. Welcome back, dear listener. As we near the end of our cosmic journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the breathtaking tapestry of the universe we've woven together. Did you know that this vast expanse of stars, planets, and galaxies is not just a distant spectacle, but part of our very being? We are, quite literally, made of stardust. The atoms in your body were forged in the heart of a dying star, scattered across the cosmos, and eventually came together to form the world we know. Isn't it remarkable to think that the stars above are our ancient ancestors? Let's delve deeper into these cosmic connections. The universe is a place of incredible variety, from the familiar warmth of our sun to the icy moons of Jupiter. Each planet and moon has its own story, its own unique characteristics. Take Europa, for example, one of Jupiter's moons. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast ocean, possibly teeming with life. Imagine a world where the ocean isn't just a source of sustenance, but a hidden mystery waiting to be discovered. The potential for life beyond Earth reminds us that the universe is brimming with possibilities, each new discovery a stepping stone to understanding our place in it. Speaking of which, the Milky Way, our galactic home, is but one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy, a swirling island of stars, hosts its own collection of wonders. Some, like the Andromeda Galaxy, are on a collision course with our Milky Way. This cosmic dance, set to unfold over millions of years, will reshape the night sky, merging two galaxies into one. Can you imagine the night sky transformed by such a colossal event? It's a reminder that the universe is in constant motion, forever evolving and changing. And yet, even amidst this grand scale, the universe's story began in a singular moment. The Big Bang, an explosion of unimaginable energy, set everything in motion. It laid the groundwork for the universe as we know it, expanding space itself. The echoes of this event, the cosmic microwave background radiation, still linger, whispering stories of the universe's infancy. The more we learn about the origins of our universe, the more we realize how interconnected time and space truly are. In the grand scheme of things, human history is but a blink compared to the cosmic timeline. Stars are born, live out their lives, and explode in spectacular supernovae, scattering elements across the cosmos. These elements, forged in the crucible of stellar cores, form the building blocks for planets and life. It's a cycle of creation and destruction, a testament to the universe's ability to continually renew itself. Isn't it comforting to know that even amidst endings, there are always new beginnings? Picture a universe teeming with exotic remnants of stars, neutron stars and black holes, enigmatic and mysterious. Neutron stars are compact, dense objects left behind after a supernova explosion. Some spin rapidly, emitting beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. These are pulsars, and their rhythmic pulses serve as cosmic clocks, helping us measure time and space. Black holes, with their immense gravitational pull, are regions where not even light can escape. They challenge our understanding of physics and remind us of the universe's unfathomable depths. This brings us to the invisible forces that shape our universe: dark matter and dark energy. Though unseen, dark matter provides the scaffolding for galaxies, holding them together with its gravitational pull. Dark energy, on the other hand, drives the universe's expansion, accelerating it beyond comprehension. Together, these forces make up more than 95% of the universe. Isn't it intriguing that what we cannot see or touch holds the key to the cosmos's greatest mysteries? Reflecting on these mysteries, we turn to the search for life beyond our planet. The Drake equation gives us a framework to estimate the number of technologically advanced civilizations in our galaxy. It's a reminder that the universe may be teeming with life, waiting to be discovered. As we send out signals into the cosmos, we hope they will someday reach distant worlds, forging connections with other beings who share our curiosity and wonder. Throughout human history, our desire to explore has driven us to the stars. From the Apollo missions that took humans to the moon, to the rovers exploring Mars's surface, each venture expands our horizons, pushing the boundaries of what we know. These endeavors remind us of our potential to transcend our earthly confines, exploring new worlds and seeking knowledge among the stars. As we marvel at cosmic phenomena like auroras and eclipses, we are reminded of the universe's beauty and grandeur. These events, rare and wondrous, connect us to the rhythms of the cosmos. They serve as gentle reminders of our place in the universe, urging us to pause and appreciate the wonders that surround us. And so, as our journey through the universe draws to a close, let me share one final thought. The universe, in all its complexity and beauty, invites us to find balance in our lives. Just as celestial objects follow predictable paths amidst chaos, we too can find harmony amidst life's uncertainties, embrace the unknown, find joy in discovery, and let the universe inspire you to seek equilibrium and wonder in all things. As you drift into slumber tonight, carry with you the serene knowledge that you are part of a magnificent cosmos, woven into the very fabric of the universe. Dream of stars and galaxies, of distant worlds and cosmic cycles. Rest well, dear listener, in the comfort of the universe's gentle embrace. As we come to the end of our cosmic exploration, let's take a moment to linger on the future of the universe. Did you know that scientists have long speculated on how the universe might eventually end? One possibility is the Big Freeze. Imagine the universe expanding ever so slowly, with galaxies drifting further apart until the stars grow cold and dark. In this scenario, the universe becomes a vast, dark expanse where the remnants of once bright galaxies drift silently, like echoes of a grand cosmic symphony that has played its final note. Another intriguing possibility is the Big Crunch. Here, the universe, instead of expanding indefinitely, reverses course. Picture this: the galaxies slowly drawn back together, the universe collapsing inward until everything converges into a singular dense point. It's an idea that paints a picture of cosmic rebirth, like a phoenix rising from its ashes, perhaps leading to another Big Bang. Both scenarios hold a certain poetic beauty, don't they? They remind us that, much like the stars that light up the night sky, the universe itself may have its own life cycle. Speaking of cycles, let's pause to reflect on our place within this grand cosmic story. Human beings, with their curious minds and adventurous spirits, have only been around for a fleeting moment in cosmic terms. Yet, our insignificance in time and space does not diminish the impact we have or the marvels we can uncover. Think about it. Despite the vastness of the universe, our drive to understand and explore has led us to decipher some of its secrets. We've learned how to capture starlight, study galaxies millions of light years away, and even send robots to Mars. It's a testament to our remarkable capability to dream and discover. This brings us to another fascinating thought: the role of wonder in understanding the universe. Consider this. Every scientific breakthrough, every philosophical insight begins with a sense of wonder. Albert Einstein once said, "The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious." This sense of wonder propels us, urging us to ask questions and seek answers. It's a gentle reminder that the universe, with all its complexity and beauty, invites us to view it with childlike curiosity. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is left to discover. Let me share something truly remarkable about our universe. Did you know that the cosmic microcosm and macrocosm are deeply connected? Picture this: the same patterns that govern the formation of galaxies can be observed in the natural world, from the spiraling arms of a sunflower to the double helix of DNA. It's as if the universe speaks its own language, a language of mathematics and patterns that echoes through the fabric of reality. This interconnectedness suggests an underlying unity, a harmony in the cosmic chaos where the smallest particle and the grandest galaxy share a common thread. In considering these connections, we find ourselves humbled and inspired. The universe is not just a distant cold place filled with stars and planets. It's a living tapestry, alive with potential and possibility. And in this vast web of existence, each of us holds a unique thread. As we navigate through our daily lives, we too are part of the universe's story, contributing our own chapters and adding to its richness. Here's another thought to ponder. The universe doesn't exist in isolation. It thrives on interaction and change. Every cosmic event, from the birth of a star to the collision of galaxies, sparks new beginnings and alters the cosmic landscape. This constant flux is mirrored in our own lives. Change, while sometimes daunting, is a fundamental part of growth. Just as stars are born from the chaos of collapsing clouds, we too can find strength and opportunity in times of uncertainty. As we reflect on these ideas, let's not forget the quiet beauty of the universe's eternal dance. Stars twinkle, planets orbit, galaxies swirl, all moving to an ancient cosmic rhythm. This dance is a reminder of the balance inherent in the universe. Amidst the chaos, there is order. Amidst the vastness, there is intimacy. As you lie under the night sky, gazing up at the stars, you are witnessing a dance that began billions of years ago and will continue long after we are gone. So, as our journey through the universe draws to a close, carry with you a sense of wonder and gratitude. Embrace the mysteries that remain and the knowledge yet to be uncovered. Remember that you are part of something far greater than yourself, a universe filled with beauty and complexity, with stories written in stardust and time. Let this thought cradle you into a peaceful slumber. Every star, every planet, and every galaxy is part of a grand design, a cosmic narrative that we are fortunate to glimpse. As you drift into dreams, imagine the stars whispering their secrets, inviting you to explore, to dream, and to wonder. Rest well, dear listener, in the knowledge that you too are a cherished part of this magnificent universe. As we reach the conclusion of our celestial journey, let's pause and take a moment to truly appreciate the vastness and beauty that the universe offers. Did you know that every time you gaze at the night sky, you are looking back in time? The starlight that graces your eyes has traveled across the cosmos, sometimes taking millions of years to reach you. Isn't it fascinating to think that you are witnessing the ancient history of the universe, written in light? This light, traveling through the silent depths of space, carries stories of creation and transformation. It connects us to the universe's grand tapestry, a reminder that we are part of something incredibly vast and profoundly interconnected. You might recall that the universe began with the Big Bang, an event so powerful that it set everything in motion. Over billions of years, this cosmic dance has unfolded, giving birth to galaxies, stars, and planets. And here we are, in this moment, trying to grasp the enormity of it all. Imagine standing on a quiet hilltop, far from the bustle of city lights. The sky above you, sprinkled with stars, is a canvas painted with the history of the cosmos. Each star holds the secrets of its own existence, from its fiery birth in swirling nebulas to its eventual fading into the cosmic night. When you think about it, the universe is both a storyteller and a story, constantly evolving and renewing itself. Here's something interesting. The universe is expanding. Every day, galaxies drift further apart, carried on the tide of cosmic expansion. This discovery, made less than a century ago, has reshaped our understanding of the universe. It hints at a future where the night sky might look very different from what we see today. But for now, we can marvel at the beauty of a cosmos that is continually growing, like a great celestial garden. The universe's rhythm mirrors the patterns of life on Earth. Just as seasons change and life cycles unfold, the cosmos echoes this eternal cycle of beginnings and endings. When you observe nature, with its intricate balance and harmony, it serves as a gentle reminder that the universe is not only vast but unified by the same fundamental laws that govern everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Speaking of atoms, have you ever considered the incredible journey your own atoms have taken? Formed in the hearts of stars, scattered across space, and eventually becoming part of you, they tell a rich cosmic story. You are a living testament to the universe's creativity. This connection between life and the stars underscores a profound truth. We are indeed made of stardust, each of us a unique expression of the universe's ongoing narrative. As we contemplate these wonders, it's important to remember that while the universe may seem eternal and unchanging, it encourages exploration and discovery. With each new piece of knowledge, we peel back another layer of mystery, deepening our understanding and appreciation. The universe invites us to ask questions, to look beyond what is known, and to embrace the unknown with open hearts and curious minds. Let me leave you with a thought that underscores the beauty of this cosmic journey. Just as the stars shine brighter on a clear night, so too do the moments of clarity and insight illuminate our lives. When you look up at the night sky, allow yourself to feel both small and significant. You are a part of something magnificent, a universe teeming with possibilities and wonders yet to be discovered. As you drift into a restful sleep, let the universe cradle your thoughts. Picture the galaxies twirling gracefully in the cosmic dance, stars winking gently in the vast velvet sky. Know that you are part of this cosmic symphony, and your dreams are threaded with stardust. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the universe. May your nights be filled with the beauty of a billion stars, and may your dreams be as boundless as the cosmos itself. If you enjoyed our time together, feel free to subscribe and join us for more explorations into the wonders of the universe. Until next time, dear listener, rest well and dream of the stars.